Hello everyone and welcome to Rasmus Adventures. My name is Rasmus and today I'm out on my backyard trail. As you can see here, it's still a lot of snow, so it's not rideable yet. And I found out that it has fallen some trees over the trail this winter. So today I'm going to take care of them, cut them up, and the big one over there I'm going to mill some planks out of as well. Okay, so now I've taken all the crotch away and cut up the tree into pieces. So I got 5 logs to mill wood of, make some planks, and the top of the tree will be firewood. Okay, so now I'm done cleaning for now. When the snow is gone, I need to take a rake and make it really nice for riding again. I've been doing more stuff this week than just cleaning the backyard trail. Me and my friend Jonathan did our first boulder session for the year. We went to Strandberget in Resele and climbed some rocks we found a couple of years ago. The weather was typically April weather. It was sun, it was windy, it was hail. But we had a fun time, and it was nice feeling some rocks again. Besides the cleaning and climbing, I also managed to get some Enduro training this week. I found these old forest machine tracks and had a lot of fun riding them. As you can see, it was still some snow left, but overall it was rideable, and some part was also quite challenging to get down. I hope to get back there more this spring when the snow gets away. Thank you for watching, and if you like what I'm doing, Please like, subscribe and share the videos. I'm coming out with a new film every Friday. So take care and I'll see you next time.